Hi, I'm Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my husband's favorite cookies. It's a peanut butter blossom with a Hershey Kiss in the middle of it. Super easy. The funny thing is on the back of the Hershey Kiss bag it says, Step 1, make yummy peanut butter cookies. Step 2, put Hershey Kisses in them. Step 3, eat. So I'm going to be a little more detailed than that, but basically that's what you're doing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 3/4 cup of peanut butter, creamy peanut butter, half a cup of shortening, and you're going to cream these suckers together until it's nice and creamy. You also want to make sure when you put the shortening in that it's at room temperature, because otherwise it'll really have a hard time going together there. So this is a 1/3 cup of white sugar and a 1/3 cup of packed in brown sugar. We're going to cream those together. Okay, that looks good. And the whole time you want your oven at 375, so mine's preheating. So now you're going to put in 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 egg, okay, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. And then it's time to add the dry ingredients. This is 1 3/4 cups flour. Now the recipe calls for 1 1/2 cups flour, but because we live in Colorado, we add a 1/4 cup of flour to all of our cookie recipes. This is a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So you just want to mix those together. And then we're going to add it to the wet ingredients. And then we'll be ready to get them in the oven. I usually add the flour a little bit at a time because it can get really poofy and suddenly you're throwing flour everywhere. Okay, you want 2 ungreased cookie sheets, and you're going to roll the batter into 1-inch diameter balls. So after you do that, then you're going to roll it into some white sugar and place it as a ball on the cookie sheet, and they will bake like that. Once they come out of the oven, you immediately put the Hershey Kiss on top of it and then remove it onto a wire rack to cool. So you want them to be about this big. All right, these have baked for 12 minutes. They're a little bit bigger than what the recipe calls for, but that's okay. It's a matter of taste. How big do you want them to be? We immediately put the Kiss onto each of the cookies. Whoopsie. There. Okay. Putting in the other tray. Those look perfect. So this is it. So these are the peanut butter blossoms. I hope you guys enjoy them. Again, you can make them any size you want. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell.